publish your website, but your website isn't generating sales and conversions as you hoped for, this video is for you. Sometimes this could be the smallest tweaks that would make all the difference. In today's video, I will show you the marketing principles applied to website design that would help you turn things around. These tips will help you how to make your website clear, persuasive, and easy to navigate, so visitors can trust your business through website and buy from you. So let's dive. The first marketing principle I'll be talking about is anchoring biases. This principle is about setting the expectation with a higher price first and then revealing the lower price so steal in comparison. The brain naturally anchors to the first price we see, which makes the second one more attractive. That's why very often on websites you will see the price comparison tables and different packages that would suit different buyers. Instead of seeing a price of $100, which might seem like a lot for some people, let's put two more pricing tables to it. One would be lower and one would be higher. One would be a $50, which is a starting plan. Then we have $100, which is our normal plan that we would like to charge people. And we're gonna have a $150, which is the highest price point in our packaging. Now, when we place those two extra packages next to our original one, the original one doesn't seem to be that bad. Or if it's more expensive to someone, they can always opt in for the $50 one. And then comparing to $151, the $100 feels way more affordable. You can implement these techniques in many different areas in your marketing and in your business. Here are a few design suggestions when using a pricing table to sell your services or products. Position your target plan as a recommended choice. Place the plan you want to sell most prominently, such as in the center with a more standout color that will draw attention, signaling that this is the preferred option. Mark the target plan as the most popular or the best value, reinforcing the appeal, suggesting that many others have also chosen it. You can also include more features in a table below, displaying added features that are included in this plan but require an extra fee in the lower tiers, making it more attractive choice. Next one is scarcity. We tend to place more value on the things that are limited in supply. You can use this marketing principle by implementing low stock indicator on your product pages, like adding a line, only 3 items left in stock. Nothing makes you want to have something more than seeing this pop-up saying, oh my God, only 3 items left in stock, or 100 other people are previewing the same product as you are and they only have 3. This encourages visitors to act quickly and take less time to actually evaluate the offer, since they don't want to miss out. You can also implement this technique for service-based businesses by adding indicator on your website that only 5 spots left for the month, or only 5 spots left for the end of the year, or wherever the case might be. I feel like this type of techniques work best when you use the lower number. Let's say something below 10. This creates a natural sense of urgency without offering discounts or price cuts. You can also use this technique to offering exclusive offers. It could be product, services, events, workshops, etc. Before you launch a new offer, you can create an opt-in page on your website to collect emails, encouraging people to sign up and be the first one to know about the offer you're releasing. We are naturally very curious creatures and we want to know what it is. It will encourage visitors to sign up and increase their interest. The next marketing principle is social proof. When people see other peers using the same product or service they're considering for themselves, it reinforces the trust and confidence in buying it. There is various visual techniques that we can implement on our website, starting with a simple written testimonial and ending with user-generated content like photos, videos, other proof that they're using and enjoying your product or service. Seeing real examples of people using your products or services humanizes your brand as the potential buyers feel more connected and confident in their decision. The next marketing principle I will cover today is reciprocity. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. The idea behind it is you provide some sort of value for free first to your potential buyers and customers. They are more likely to take an action in return by subscribing to your offer or buying something from you. It could look like offering a free PDF or ebook to download, or sharing some knowledge that you have for free with your customers. This is the common principle that used behind lead magnets and freebies when you have an opt-in on your website to collect potential leads. The majority of people who land on your website are not ready to buy from you just yet, but they're already there. So we want to make sure to stay connected with them. And the email marketing is one of the best ways to stay connected with your potential customers by providing more value through emails. Email marketing is a long-term game, but it definitely works if you put in your time and effort into it. I once had a client who has been on my email list for, I believe, 2 years. And only after 2 years, when he felt ready that he needed a website for his business, he reached out and we worked together. It definitely will take time, but it will pay off. And the beauty of emailing, you don't have to stay connected with one particular person. You send email to thousands of people. You don't have to work as hard by sending individual emails to all the potential customers. The next marketing principle is an authority. When potential buyers see that an expert or an industry leader trusts into your services or products, they're more likely to do the same. You can establish authority by various marketing techniques, some of them by showcasing quotes, certifications that establishes your product as a valuable and quality on the market. I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.